Hello everyone and welcome. In this video, we'll show you how to use the bi-directional DICOM feature on your Screeni monitor to transfer endoscopic exams to your hospital's PACS and retrieve scheduled procedures from the worklist server. Before starting, make sure your Screeni is connected to the hospital network. If your monitor has a LAN port, plug in the Ethernet cable directly. Otherwise, use a USB to LAN adapter to connect the cable. Next, open the Settings panel. You'll now see a button for DICOM Settings. Click it. On the left side, you'll find your Screeni's IP and MAC address. These details may be requested by your hospital IT team for network configuration. Let's start by configuring the worklist server. This is what allows Screeni to retrieve scheduled procedures. Click Worklist Settings, then enable the worklist. Fill in the following fields: Application Entity Title or AE Title, Hostname or IP address, Port number, Time frame for upcoming and past procedures, Modality, by default ES for endoscopy. Then click Test Connection to verify that the setup works. Now let's configure the PACS, which will store your DICOM images. Click PACS Settings, then Add PACS. Enter the PACS name, AE title, host name or IP address, and port number. Click the green Register button, then run a test connection to confirm communication. Once your worklist and PACS are configured, connect your endoscope. Retrieve the worklist info before inserting the endoscope in the patient and disconnect your network cable. A new drop-down menu will appear, showing all patients from the worklist. Select your patient. You can refresh the list or clear the selection at any time. Then perform your bronchoscopy and take images as usual. When the procedure is finished, disconnect the endoscope. Click on the Export button, then select PACS as the destination. Patient details are automatically filled in. Check that the correct PACS is selected and click the green button to start the transfer. Once done, your DICOM images are now available in the hospital's PACS. That's it. You've now configured and used the DICOM function on Screeni from setup to export. Thank you for watching and don't hesitate to contact TSC Life if you need assistance.